You ready?
Yeah.
I will start talking.
Mhm.
Here is what we use to measure the conductivity of any solution. This is a very simple machine. It's called, the brand is LabQuest.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
What does it measure? It measures anything you want it to measure. Depends on what electrode you use. This electrode here, if you see here, it says conductivity.
Probe.
Yes. So that's a conductivity probe. So that's what it will measure. Conductivity, because you connected it to the conductivity probe.
Okay.
So, and we have here 4 channels, as you can see. We can connect to the conductivity probe or temperature probe
Okay.
or gas pressure probe, or we can measure the pH.
pH.
Yes. So
pH too. Ah.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So what does it measure depends on which channel you use and what kind of electrode you connect.
Okay. So
So this is a conductivity electrode. We connected it to channel 1, and it's automatic sensing. It senses the electrode automatically, and it's giving you the reading in microsiemens per centimeter. That's the unit for yes, for conductivity.
Okay.
All right. So that's LabQuest is the name of the machine.
Okay.
And you can collect continuous readings, and you can have it graph it. Depends on.
Oh, we get the graphic
You
too.
can lick the graph.
Okay.
Yes. You can contact the graph. So you can either collect the data, you can record the data by hand, you can record the data in a table. You see here there is a table.
Yeah.
If you hit that, it will give you the data in a table. But I don't need that for the experiment that we're going to conduct.
Okay.
Or you can have it graph the data for you. And you connect this one to the computer and they print the graph. Or a lot of times I just have my students take a snapshot, take a picture of the graph from here.
Okay.
And they can print it at home.
Okay.
So now we are ready to go. We'll start with the first one, and that's distilled water. So we'll take Can I have the beaker at the first bench and the test tube brush? There is a test tube brush over there. At the first bench, right here, Miss Sari, over there. Come this way, this way, this way. Come my way. My way. Yeah. Come my way. No, come this way.
Come this way.
Yes, over there.
This?
Right, over there. There is a beaker.
Bigger one.
Beaker over there.
I don't know. Like what? I'm sorry. Big. Oh. Oh.
Some salt already.
Oh. Useless.
This is distilled water. I can take one of those and fill it with distilled water. This one. Okay. Let's go ahead and get first. This beaker has soap already from before.
Oh.
We'll just mix some soapy water. distilled water because tap water have lots of stuff. Okay. Now, okay, just need some paper.
Thanks. Niente.
We just need to dry. You know, electricity and the water don't mix, so you have to make sure that your hands is very dry before you play with electricity. Then we're gonna put some tap water in there. This is distilled water, some distilled water there, just like that. And we come here to this machine. And if the solution conducts electricity, the light will come on.
Okay.
If it doesn't conduct electricity, then the light does not come on.
Okay.
So make sure the beaker is dry from the outside and your hand is dry. And you dip those two electrodes inside the beaker, like that.
Okay.
Okay, and we close the circuit. See, you don't see any lights coming on.
Okay.
That's because the distilled water does not have any ions
Yeah.
to conduct the electricity. This is very simple machine. It's a handmade machine.
Yeah.
It's just two pieces of wire, okay, and electric cord with a light bulb.
Okay.
You can look from the back as
Yeah.
well, okay. So that's an indication that there is no conduction of electricity here. The light does not come on. Okay, so that's qualitative. It tells you that the distilled water is non-electrolyte, does not conduct electricity.
Okay.
Then we come here and we take our electrode. You want to take a look at the reading here
Oh yeah.
before I put the electrode in.
We can use it.
Yes, you can. Can you see the reading here?
Yeah.
Okay, so 1.8, 1.6, right around there.
Yeah.
Correct? All right, and that's just the contamination from the electrode. I'm gonna wash the electrode with distilled water, just like that. And I will dip the electrode into the distilled water and see the reading jump?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Now it's about 7?
7.
Yes, 7.2.
Yeah.
See? So that tells you this have some salt. This is not a purified water. There's
Yeah.
difference between purified water and distilled water. So it has a little bit of salt in there,
Yeah.
but this is nothing. Okay, so that's microsiemens per centimeter, the conductivity of the distilled water.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have the students record that in their lab manual.
Ah.
Yes, and after they do that, they go to the next item on the table,
Yeah.
which is the tap water.
Okay.
So we're gonna take the electrode out, and we will dump the distilled water and take some tap water into the beaker. This is different.